Hi everyone! Today I have this flower in my hair because I did an unboxing earlier of Miss Venus McFlytrap. So if you want to see a unboxing of her, it's already posted by the time this video is up. I'll link it in the description below and you can see her. But yeah, she's an awesome doll. So if you want to see more about her, be sure to check out that video. But I just came back from Target because Target has a huge sale going on with their Make It Minis, and I've gone down that rabbit hole, I'm afraid, and I don't think I'm gonna get them out. I'm having fun there, and let me tell you, my good friend that I met through the doll community suggested a scale. This is discreet, it's small, you can calibrate it, tear it out, and all that fancy schmancy stuff. And you can weigh the little miniverse. And you could use a cheat sheet for the pinholes and the weights, you know, to find the rares and certain ones that you don't want to know. Like if you don't want to waste your money and get doubles, you could do it that way. But yeah, they have a huge sale. So I'm gonna test out this theory. Does it work? Is it accurate? Let's see, because I want the Dolores tea set from Harry Potter. I want the sleeping cupcakes, and yeah, and the fondue set from the mini Make It Valentine's. So let's see what we got. I don't know if you can see that, but this is supposed to be the tea set. It's supposed to be, I think, 119 through 120. Okay, so this is 118.77. I'm sorry, it's not clear. I just wanted to focus on the ball. Okay, there you go. So let's test out this theory. And another thing is the pinhole. The pinhole showed that it was like in this corner right here. So with that cheat sheet, the pinhole, and then the weight should be the tea set. Drum roll, please. Let's see if this is the tea set. This is the moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh my god. Yo! I got it. It's the English tea set. Okay, let me tell you a story. So the Valentine ones, for the fondue, I said, oh, you can hear a light rattle. I was sitting there shaking these balls to death. Poor things. Thank God they're not live creatures. But I was like shaking it to death, and I'm like, I'm gonna get the fondue. I'm pretty confident this is a fondue. I'm glad I got this scale because this worked. This is the tea set. This gives it away. I'm so excited. Okay. We're gonna make this. But let me see. Let me see if I got the cupcakes. I want the mandrake too. Let's check this out. This could be the sleeping draught cupcakes. Let's check it out and see what we got. $108. All right, let's see. I'm gonna get that mandrake. I don't believe I have it today, but we'll check next time because they're making a bunch of these, and now they have the honeydew, so I'm so excited. Honestly, I'm not quite sure what this is. I think it's a potion. I forgot to check the pinhole. Oh, this is cool. This is a potion. I'm not sure which one it is. If you know, let me know. Okay. So the other one, let's go ahead and open it because I did weigh it as well. And I'm gonna check the pinhole. You know what? I think this is the leech juice. And I was like going through so many of the Harry Potter miniverse. I think I put back the sleepy drought cupcakes, I think is what it's called. So I think this is the leech juice, which is fine. I got one rare, and we have plenty of time to get the other. What's that? Other one, so I'm not too sad, distraught about it. Give me 1 second. So this is another potion. I accidentally put back my sleepless cupcakes, but it's okay. Like I said, let's move on. I accidentally put back my cupcakes. It's okay, because we got 2 potions, 1 rare. So let's check out the Valentine's Day. Okay, this one is 97.15. Let's hope this is right. Drum roll, please. Okay, let's see what I got. I got another one that weighed like 97 grams. I'm hoping this is... Please let this be... Bro, no! No, I don't think this is it. No, this can't be. What is this? Uh-oh, stop it. It's not. It's the cupcakes. Let's try this one out. I have so many of these like donuts. Bro. It's the blasted donuts. That fondue set is gonna be the death of me. I need the fondue set. Miniverse, we need to talk. We needed to talk. No, but these I'm actually making for the ghouls for the Sweet 1600 birthday party for Draculaura. So the more sweets the merrier, right? So I'm not gonna take this as a loss. I got the tea set. I'm really excited about that. But besides that, yes, it does work. Yes, you may have to really pay attention to the pinholes as well. But I was in a little bit of a hurry tonight because my husband was supposed to go watch a movie, but he was like, oh, I'll just change it to Sunday. And they were about to close, so I went at the very last minute. So there's always Walmart, but they're not on sale at Walmart like they are at Target. So I can try at a different Target. But this was fun. This was fun. This is a great learning experience for me. I say do it if you want to. Buy a skill, look at the cheat sheets and all that stuff, and have fun with it.